Alright, so for this question, we're trying to figure out what 20% of 48 is. So off the top of my head, to start this off, I know that 20% is, of course, 20-100. But that also can be simplified down even farther, down into 1-5. Man, my pen is giving out today. So 20% actually can be dumbed down into 1-5. So now we've got to figure out what is 1/5, or what is 48/5. So we just drop this 48 right on top here of the 5, because we're just basically solving this with the 20% as a fraction instead of a percent. So now that we know that we need to solve 48 divided by 5, we just go into 48 divided by 5, right? So then the 48 here, 5 we know can go into this 9 times with a remainder of 3, because there's 2 left over. It only goes up to 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So we've got a remainder of 3. We drop a decimal point right here. Drop a 0 in from the sky. It falls down. There's a 0 here, actually. 30. 5 can go into 30. How many times? It can actually go into it 6 times. So that actually is your answer right here. It is 9.6. So I hope that made some sense. I know it was kind of all over the place. What you really need to remember with these questions is just that you need to get this 20% into the lowest decimal possible in order to solve it. So for this one, it was actually just 1/5. It might be a bit harder for some other ones because it might not be exactly even and it might be larger, but it doesn't matter. Once you get it into this, it's super easy to drop it into this table here and solve it. All right, that's all for today.